Good morning. Again, myself, Madnavashar. Today, I am sending a video in respect of reproductive health. Chapter number 4. The topic is to control. The topic is to control the birth. So these are the devices. In this devices, this IUDs devices. Here I am going to discuss regarding this IUDs devices. Okay, what do you mean by this IUDs? Means intrauterine devices. These are the intrauterine devices. Means these devices, these instruments are fixed in uterus. So that's why it is called intrauterine. Here this two type. These devices are two type. One that is the non-medicated devices, A number, including this lips loop and copper T. Just you see here, I am writing here this number 1, that is the non-medicated. This non-medicated devices include this lips, LPPES, lips loop. It is a lips loop devices. Okay, and second, that is the in this lips loops. First, in this copper T, copper 7, copper T, copper 7, and multi-load and multi-load 375. These three, this lips loop, copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375. These three devices are non-medicated. Second, that is the hormone releasing. These are hormone releasing. Hormone releasing. This hormone releasing variety, in this variety, these hormones are released. Second number, hormone releasing, this LNG20. This hormone releasing variety is LNG20. Okay, now just you see here, this is copper T. This is copper T. Here it is Cu copper wire. It is a copper wire, and it is plastic. It is a plastic T. Here this is called copper T. Why it is called copper T? Because the structure of this copper T is just like English letter T. So T shape structure is made by the plastic, and on this plastic, this pillar is encircled by this copper wire. So that's why it is called copper T. Here this expert doctors or professionals, they insert this copper T through vagina into uterus and fix this copper T in uterus. Then what is the function of this copper T? This copper T release the copper ion, and these ion they suppress the sperm motility and fertilize capacity of the sperm. स्पर्म की फर्टिलाइजेशन जायगोट फॉर्मेशन की जो कैपेसिटी है उसको डिक्रीज कर देते हैं और स्पर्म की मूवमेंट को, तो उससे क्या होगा, मूवमेंट जब स्लो होगी तो ये जो स्पर्म है ये स्पर्म ओविडक्ट के अंदर एंट्री नहीं कर पाएंगे और ओवम तक पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे, सो नो फर्टिलाइजेशन. Second, this hormone, so they are three, they are non-medicated, they are the three IUDs. लिप्स लूप है, कॉपर टी है, कॉपर 7 भी है, मल्टीलोड 370. आउट ऑफ दिस ऑल एनी वन कैन बी यूज. सेकेंड है हार्मोन, बिकॉज दे आर रिलीजिंग द copper ion. So this copper ion are released, they decrease the motility, they decrease the movement of the sperm and suppress them to suppress the fertility capacity. Hormone releasing, and this LNG is the hormone releasing device, and this release the hormone. Hormone means this hormone, what is the function of this hormone? They make the unstable, they make the uterus ball unstable and uh, delay or stop the implantation. Side by side, cervix hostile to sperm, they also decrease the hostility of this cervix. So in this way, these devices, they protect, they inhibit the union of sperm and ovum. Okay, so this is the now next devices are the pills, medicine devices. First, that is the pills, oral administration, जिस गोली जिसको कहिए, ये जो टैबलेट्स हैं, गोली मीन्स टैबलेट्स, ये टैबलेट्स के मेथड से, टैबलेट्स में क्या है, दिस टैबलेट्स कंसिस्ट द हार्मोन, विच हार्मोन, प्रोजेस्टोजेंस, एक तो टैबलेट में ये हार्मोन होता है प्रोजेस्टोजेंस, अथवा कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोजेस्टोजन एंड एस्ट्रोजन, ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है टैबलेट में. इसके दोनों हार्मोन्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से टैबलेट बनाई जाती है. एंड दिस टैबलेट्स यूज्ड बाय द फीमेल फॉर 21 days, मीन्स लीविंग द मेंस्ट्रुअल, स्टार्टिंग मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल पीरियड 1 to 7 days, first to 7 days leaving the time, then start to eat 1 tablet per day before going to bed. So this is the method. यहाँ 21 दिन तक एक टैबलेट पर डे, नाइट को सोने से पहले एक टैबलेट नाइट को ली जाती है. तो उसके बाद जब ये 21 डेज का टैबलेट्स का पूरा साइकिल कंप्लीट हो जाता है, देन नेक्स्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल स्टार्ट, फिर अगेन लिविंग द 7 days start to eat. So in this way, जब तक till you don't want to be a pregnant, you can take this. This tablet is not giving any side effect. Second, another important tablet, that is the Saheli. And this Saheli, it is a tablet, it is prepared in the CDRs, Central Drugs and Research Institute, Lucknow, and this tablet is known by the name of Saheli. And this tablet is used only within a week, not daily. So it is more effective. It is a non-steroid, इस टेबलेट के कंपोजिशन में स्टेरॉइड नहीं है, इसलिए इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं भी है। सेकंड वन, अनदर मेथड, अगर ये टैबलेट नहीं लेनी है, ये टैबलेट नहीं लेनी है तो इनका इंजेक्शन ले सकते हैं। इसका क्या इंजेक्शन ले सकते हैं अथवा इम्प्लांट करा सकते हैं। ये इंजेक्शन ले सकते हैं या इम्प्लांट करा सकते हैं। इसको इम्प्लांट करा सकते हैं, इंजेक्शन। यहाँ ये जो पार्ट दिखाया हुआ है, जस्ट यू सी हियर, दिस इज द इम्प्लांटिंग, इट इज इम्प्लांटिंग पार्ट अंडर बिलो स्किन। अगर टैबलेट नहीं खानी है, ओके, तो इंजेक्शन लिया जा सकता है। अगर इंजेक्शन भी नहीं लेना है तो इसी को स्किन के नीचे इम्प्लांट किया जा सकता है, एंड इट्स इफेक्ट इज मोर लॉन्गर, इसका असर भी लंबा रहता है कंपेयर टू। सो दीज आर द डिवाइसेस, these are the devices, these are the medicines. It is a very easy way to control the pregnancy, to stop the pregnancy. Which one? That is the oral method, oral tablet, Saheli tablets, and this implants devices. Okay, by this method we can use till we want to the pregnancy. Okay, then next is the sterilization. Next is the sterilization method. Sterilization method means surgery. It is a surgery. This method is called surgery method, and this surgery is done in both male or female. In this couple, anyone can implement this type of surgery. First diagram number 1, that is the vasectomy. Second number, that is the tubectomy, and this surgery is done in male and it is done in the female. Okay, this done in the female. Here this part is the scrotum and it is the testis. It is called testis. Okay, and this is vas deferens coming out from the testis and entering in the through inguinal canal to the abdomen. So here just in scrotum, near just below the scrotum, this vas deferens is cut off, or a middle part may be removed. Sometimes there is no need to remove any part, just cut the vas deferens, bend it, make it tight with the plastic thread on both sides, this side and this side. So that is called vasectomy. It prevent the entry of the sperm to urethra. It will stop the entry, because this sperm, they are continuously produced. They will try to reach to the this urethra. So in the middle, in the way, there is a interruption, there is a hindrance in this vasectomy, so they cannot reach into the urethra, just to stop the releasing of the sperm. Okay, similarly in case of female, here this oviduct, this fallopian tube is the oviduct part. Here this part is cut off on both sides, just you see, and tied up. If there is a requirement of any child in future by any reason, this surgery can be restart. They can be re-stitched and the tube can be made clear. So sometimes such type of use can be done. What? Just it is to stop the transfer of this ovum to the uterus and the entry of the sperm up to the uterus. Here यहाँ से कट लगा हुआ है, यहाँ इस यूट्रस में से दिस स्पर्म, यूट्रस में से स्पर्म एंटर करेंगे तो वो नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे इस फैलोपियन ट्यूब के अंदर। फैलोपियन ट्यूब में यहाँ पर ओवम है और ये ओवम, सो देयर इज ए नो union of the sperm. It is the totally method, it is totally method to prevent the union, and it is 100% successful method. It is a 100% successful method, and it has no side effect on the body. So that is called surgery method or sterilization method. Surgery, and this in male this method is called vasectomy, and female it is called tubectomy method. There is a no side effect. Okay, so these are the devices, these are the method to stop the union of the sperm ovum, to stop the formation of zygote, to stop the pregnancy. In this way, why this method, any one method can be applied as per the wish of the couple, and this all the methods, they are successful method. Nowadays they are regularly utilized by the population. Okay, thank you very much.